Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder and an iPhone user, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the simple process of adding your Chase Sapphire card to Apple Wallet. This not only makes payments faster and more secure with Apple Pay but also keeps all your cards neatly organized in one spot. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Chase mobile app installed on your iPhone. If you don't, head over to the App Store, search for Chase Mobile, and download it. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account using your credentials. It's quick and secure, so you'll be in no time. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for your Chase Sapphire card, it's probably front and center. Tap on it to open the card details page. Here, you should see an option that says something like Add to Apple Wallet or Set up for Apple Pay. Go ahead and tap that. The app will then prompt you to verify your identity, which might involve a quick fingerprint scan or Face ID for added security. After verification, it'll ask for permission to add the card to your wallet. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and boom! Your card is now in Apple Wallet. If you don't see the option in the Chase app, don't worry. You can also add it directly through the Wallet app on your iPhone. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner, and select Debit or Credit Card. Then, choose Chase from the options or manually enter your card details. The system will verify it, and you'll be good to go. One quick tip. Always ensure your Chase app is up to date, as updates often include improvements for integrations like this. And remember, once added, you can use your card for contactless payments, in apps, or online with Safari. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.